All right, so we got a question today from George. Your website is Deep Perception. So, could you help me build massive traffic? I want to have a list from the time I built it in May of last year. So, right now it's about April, so roughly about a year old. I have no subscribers, no sales. All right, so let's take a look at this site, George. So right now you have no domain authority. Domain authority is kind of like a credit score for your website. And you have one backlink. Let's check out your backlink. Who's backlinking to you? So backlinks are like digital recommendations or digital endorsements online. So right now, Father Together is linking to you, George Maluka. All right, so you got a link. Let's see if this is a do follow link. If it's a do follow link, it has some weight, but no, they did not make it a do follow link. It's a what's called a no follow link, which doesn't really help your authority. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and find other websites that are linking to you that are in your niche. So you're in, let's see, absolutely free training videos that will help you achieve your dreams and track your. So are you doing like life coach, mindset, coaching? There needs to be productivity, personal development. All right, let's take this keyword, personal development, right? So what we want to do is try to figure out what are the words that people are using to try to find you. We could search on Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex. That's Russia. Baidu is China. But let's do a YouTube. I mean a Facebook. Personal development in the United States. So there's about 60. 60 is the keyword difficulty, meaning that it's going to take about 129 websites to endorse you. But there's about 8,400 people a month searching for this personal development. Now, in addition to that, there's about 15,000 plus different keyword combinations. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to look at what are some of these different combinations of this, and you're offering a absolutely free training videos. So you definitely should be on YouTube trying to promote this. But they have over here plans, books, goals, quotes, coach. You can see here there's 600 people a month. And to give you an idea, the higher the number is in terms of keyword difficulty, how hard it is to rank in the top 10 on the first page on a scale from 1 to 100. So the lower it is, so let's say something like, like personal development coach. This is going to be easier to get on the first page than just personal development. Then you got plan. Then you got topics. You got a podcast. So that gives you an idea. Maybe you should start a podcast. You got a book. I would maybe put this into a PDF for women. Personal development. Let's see if we put training. Training. So it's about 100 people a month, potentially 1,600 people coming to your website if you were to target this word. There's also courses. So this is just on personal development. So what we would need to do is to do what's called keyword research. Basically what I just did right now is find out what are all the different words that your target audience is searching for, whether it is personal development, life coach, personal development training, life coach, mentoring, how to be successful. So you got some content. So content is key to building an audience. And you got your Twitter here. All right. So the main thing over here is that this content is great. There's a saying in sales called "telling is not selling." Okay. You're doing a lot of telling over here. There's not a lot of selling, meaning there's two ways for you to sell this. There's two kind of entities that you want to try to sell this to. You want to sell this content to people who visit, that you are an expert and an authority, and then you also want to sell this to the algorithms out there and let them know that you are in this niche. The way to do that is you want to make sure that you have keywords in here that are highlighted and that they're pointing back to your training. So I think you have like a paywall, right? With making sure that people kind of opt in. This has nothing about you. Contact us. So you really need to kind of put some social proof on here because there's not a lot of social proof. You also kind of have to give people, I mean, I think on the homepage, obviously there's no traffic coming here, but I don't know if you're doing it via anything. Let's see what you're doing on Instagram. There's nothing on here. Okay. You kind of have to try to publish content on all the platforms. Google is a platform. So right now I'm just seeing that you have, where's the blogs? Maybe 3 blog posts, right? So the first step would be to get some keyword research done. We could help you with that. Also, this blog is not set up, so probably Google's not crawling it. See something real quick. There's something called your robots. File. So you do have your sitemap set up. And what's interesting about this is when you take a look at this, what's the first thing you see over here? Post. Because that is the first thing that the algorithms want to look at. How much content are you publishing out there related to your subject matter? So you got Hello World, that's your default with the comes with WordPress. So you have 2 pieces of content. One is August 24th, and then the next one is in a totally different year. So August, let's say that's September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 6 months later, you publish another piece of content. So when you think of everybody that's out there, I mean, let's see how many, I think I have over here. How many websites are being published? There's about 250,000 websites being published every single day. So, in order for you to be able to compete, you really need to publish content on as many platforms as you can to build an audience. Attention is an asset now. Okay? Everybody's on their phone until they go to sleep, and they even sleep next to it. So attention is an asset. You need to try to figure out how to gather people's attention. And the way to do that is through content. Written content, video content, audio content, image content. It's all content. Okay? But before you do that, you got to start out understanding what do you need to do in terms of that content. Part of that is also answering questions. So if you go back to personal development, these are the questions that people that are interested in personal development, they ask. They ask, what is personal development? Why is personal development important? How can, what is a personal development plan? All right. So these would be questions that you would want to answer specifically because they have people searching for them. They're looking for answers, and if you have the answers, then you become a resource for them. Some people, you want to know the definition. Why is it important? How to create a plan. So many different. What is a personal development coach? Let's see if we got over here videos, professionals. So all of this kind of plays a role. So it all starts with understanding the words that people use, using that word in your content. I gave you all the different mediums of content. So if you're interested, we'll be happy to do that for you. So I'll send you that information. And where possible, go ahead and follow me at DennisVentura.com, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever in your local area. So thanks so much. And I'll send you over the information in regards to ordering our keyword research. And with that, also, you'll get a full plan on how to get this, implemented. And we could even help you if you want. All right. Thanks so much for the question, George. Looking forward to hopefully helping you. Take care.